Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll show you a really cool website which will help you save tons of cash while shopping online. Now, as most of us know that prices on e-commerce websites fluctuate a lot, so how do we know about upcoming price drops on products we want to buy? And that's where pricehistory.in comes in. It not only lets you see the price chart of the product, but it also tells you the chances of upcoming price drops. Now you can also set alerts on prices. Just set the price you would like to buy the product on, and when the price of the product hits or goes below the set price, it will notify you. All in all, it's a great tool to save some cash and shop wisely online. And that's all for today guys. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next one.